there was nothing. Nothing upon nothing upon nothing upon nothing. And in the beginning, Crane came, and she opened her wings, and she flew, and she separated and flew between the layers of nothing, and she said, what's above my wings, I'll call it sky. What's below my wings, I'll call it earth. And I'll fly between them to make space so that life can come. And she laid an egg, and with her beak she shaped the egg into a stone, and the flakes that she napped from the stone, she breathed on them and she made them spirits, and she said, with the stone, shape a world for life to come. Shape mountains and islands and rivers and seas. And she laid a second egg, and this she opened, and she said to the yolk, be sun, and shine, bring light and bring life. And to the white that surrounded the yolk, she said, be moon, and shine when the sun does not shine to give light. And because you held the yolk, you're the mother. And you will remember that you are the mother, and every month you'll grow, and then you will wane again, and for 3 nights you'll rest, and then begin to grow again and swell with life. And I will break the shell into fragments, and I will call the fragments stars, so that even when moon is resting, there will be light. And the membrane that wraps inside the shell, from that I'll make a spirit to send out eagles from its head to feed the spirits, to feed the stars. And then she opened the earth with her beak, and she went down into the depths to the lowermost cave, and she placed there the stone and the spirits around it. And then she went back to fly, to keep sky separate from earth, so that there would be room for life to live. And the spirits, they shaped everything that was needed using the stone tool that Crane had given them. And they filled the world with life. And they reached out to the hill of life and death where the red clay was, and they took red clay and they shaped human beings. And they opened their mouths so that they might breathe and live. And they gave them arms and legs so that they might hunt. And they put a bone of the moon deep within the earth so that the humans could go there to find blades for spears, make tools for working, and that the humans would go there and sing the songs, tell the stories, and take the flakes of moon to make their tools so that they could live. And the spirits filled the world with beasts for the humans to hunt, to live. And they put the shapes in the sky so that the humans would not be lost. The hunter to walk behind and follow the herds, and the bull to lead the herds. And the human beings, they divided them into 2 kinds so that they could make more. And so the hen, Bobl, the old people came, and from them came more and more and more, until here we are, the new people, still walking on the earth under the shelter of Crane's wings, and seeing where the old people went long, long ago. Dyma fy stori I chi. Cerwedd neu wir ydy hi. Stori ffug neu stori wir. Yr un ydy ystyr. These words come from me to you. Are they lies or are they true? And if they are, or if they're not, so what? Reese, come and